One of Hollywood's most iconic and loved actresses, the one and only Sandra Bullock, has acquired a massive net worth of $250 million. We wonder, what expensive luxury she can buy with that crazy amount? Sandra has spent a great part of her net worth on charity work. She is listed among some of the biggest fundraisers in the US, and she has also been an ambassador for many charitable organizations. She has also donated a large part of her income to help the needy. She definitely has a heart of gold. "I'm just grateful I can do it," Bullock said in a statement. "We have to take care of one another." In another one of her statements, Sandra exposed that she has donated nearly $10 million to multiple charities. Now that's impressive. But what other luxuries make her lifestyle so unique? Let's find out all the details. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to tell you about the millionaire lifestyle of the Lost City star, Sandra Bullock. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Now, moving further into the luxuries of her life, let us tell you about her amazing beachfront condo. Situated in Malibu and surrounded by the blue sea and white sand, the condo cost Sandra $5 million. And considering the fact that the condo has a grand kitchen, numerous bathrooms and bedrooms, a jacuzzi, and is owned by a literal millionaire, the amount is justified. She is also the owner of a Hollywood house in Los Angeles, which is located atop a hill. Though the price is not disclosed anywhere, we can all guess how much a house on top of a hill in one of the world's most expensive cities will cost. Sandra is definitely not one of those stars who spends a lot on clothes or shoes. The 45-year-old Oscar-winning star is now extra careful when she spends on dresses and accessories. "I've learned from painful mistakes about the pressure in the store to pay exorbitant amounts for stuff that isn't right. 5 years later, it's still in your closet with a tag on it. I have $900 gilt shoes. I'm thinking about putting them on a shelf with a spotlight on them to remind me about such mistakes," the Daily Express quoted Bullock. Despite the fact that she does not want to spend a lot on clothes and other items, she still does. And she loves to buy expensive makeup. She even has a separate room in her house where she has kept her makeup collection and jewelry worth millions of dollars. But on what things does Sandra love to spend her millions? That is what we are going to discuss next. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. A millionaire and also a biker, so naturally there is no way that she does not own several of those riding beasts. One of her most used and favorite bikes is a Ducati Monster. This particular brand of bike costs as much as a luxurious sports car at $30,000 and above. But her love for speed and action does not stop only at a bike. She equally loves her super cool and super expensive cars, a Jaguar, a BMW, and a Tesla Model X. Sandra also loves to take long vacations with her family in gorgeous and exotic places, such as Italy and France. In an interview, Sandra also opened up about how much she is interested in investing her money and making money from money. She expressed her aim to buy digital assets or NFTs and cryptocurrency. Well, that's a pro move for a millionaire like her. Being a model and an action star, Sandra is very health conscious. Working out, eating fewer carbs, and more proteins is an important part of her lifestyle as an actress at the peak of her career. The actress personally prefers to be in tip-top shape. And that's all for today, guys. What did you think of the millionaire lifestyle of Sandra Bullock? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.